Hey everyone, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. We're here today to unbox the February 2021 Petit Vour box. I just got it from the mail, so let's open it up together and see what we've got. I'm secretly hoping there's an eyeliner in here because the eyeliner I have is, it leaves like black all up under my eyes, so I'm hoping there's a replacement in here. All right, let's see, this is the design. Let's read about, there's 4 products, and let's do, ooh, a concealer. All right, that's great. I don't have a concealer. I'm very minimalist with my makeup, so I'm excited about this. This is Han Skincare Cosmetics Concealer. It's worth $18. It says a creamy, nourishing concealer that improves uneven skin tone, conceals dark circles, reduces redness, and lifts signs of fatigue while nourishing skin with argan oil and shea butter. It is 0.38 ounces. And the color is fair to light, which is probably on point for me, especially here in the winter in New England. As a little preview of the color. I'm just gonna open it up. Like I said, I don't have a concealer, so this is my concealer now, if I can open the box, that is. And I will do a little like test swatch for you since I'm gonna be using this. I'm working on being more purposeful with like what I open and what I'm using. So that's what it looks like. And I will just do a little, so I guess it looks on point. I don't know. I'm still learning a lot about my colors and stuff. So yeah, it blended in easily, pretty well. So that's cool. I'm excited about this because like I said, I do not have an active concealer right now. Doesn't have a scent. It's a doe foot applicator. So that is very exciting. All right, next up, let's do Leilani Bless Beauty Balm. Ooh. That's what it looks like. Okay. Leilani, bless your skin with potent skin softening and skin nourishing ingredients. Rich butters combined with orange blossoms and blue tansy oils nurture and help reduce inflammation. Honestly, I think that I've looked into this before, thinking about possibly getting it. I don't know, there was a Leilani product that I think might have been this that I looked into that was sold out on some of the websites. I am trying to decide if I'm gonna open this or not because I think I'm gonna wait on opening it. So I'm just gonna show you it just like this. And that's what it looks like. Looks like kind of a pinkish color. I'm just gonna try to preserve it in here for now because like I said, I have a lot of things open. I'm trying to be like more purposeful. So anyways, $13. I'm just gonna read this again because I don't know if oh yeah, I already read this too, and it's 7 milliliters. So that is exciting. I can't wait to use it, but I'm just gonna be careful with opening it, deciding. All right, there's a thing in here I'm not excited about. David's toothpaste. I have one of these. It came as a sample with a Beauty Heroes order a few months ago. So I don't know, like getting toothpaste doesn't, maybe if it had been like a different kind, I would have been excited. But anyways, this is David's Premium Natural Toothpaste, Peppermint, 1.75 ounces. Natural whitening, anti-plaque toothpaste is as clean as they come. Environmental Working Group certified, fluoride and SLS free. Very ironic. I was just at the dentist and they asked me like for my 6-month cleaning, and they just asked me like what kind of toothpaste I'm using, and I happened to tell them I'm using Bite toothpaste. They're like little hard bits and you chew on them and it becomes a paste just by your saliva and like the water on your toothbrush. And I'm trying to like do the whole like kick the tube kind of thing, you know, better for the environment. And the dentist, she was a dental hygienist, was not overly thrilled with the idea of me using a toothpaste that was fluoride free. So it's just kind of interesting because this is fluoride free and sulfate free. So, but I do have this little exact one upstairs in the in my bathroom cabinet, so it'll be used, but I don't know. I don't really necessarily want like toothpaste in my little box here. All right, last item. Oh, that's cool. The good news is there's 2 of them. Be Kind Sensitive Skin Face Scrub. Sensitive skin rejoice. This gentle and effective scrub is made with cranberry seeds and powdered dried hibiscus flowers, 15 grams each. That's good as well, because I got a facial last week, and I had I told the woman that I had, the esthetician, that I had some like texture on my forehead, and she told me if I use some type of like exfoliant, like a physical exfoliant, not just like a alpha hydroxy acid, like chemical exfoliant, she's like, if you use a little bit of an exfoliant, you'll probably see that go away if you use it once or twice a week. So I don't really know. It does say hibiscus and cranberry seeds, so I think it would be a physical exfoliant, not just chemical. So this will be actually great to try. Yes, so these are worth $15 total, and in case I neglected to mention it, the Beauty Balm by Leilani was $13. So we have the concealer, the Beauty Balm, the toothpaste, and the 2 little Be Kind Sensitive Face Scrubs. So that's nice for this month. I'm pretty excited about the concealer, not so much the toothpaste, but the face scrub and the Leilani Balm I'm also very excited about. So I have to say, a pretty decent box. I always love unboxing these with you guys because it's just more fun to like do it together. So please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if it was helpful to you, and please consider subscribing if you'd like to know when my next videos come out. I will keep this nice and short and just say thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a nice day. Bye.